What is the difference between pasta and egg noodles? Pasta and egg noodles are different, as many of us know. Many people are passionate about learning about the vast field of pasta and noodles prepared according to a different culture. In general, pasta is known as the Italian noodle, whereas a noodle is known as the Asian pasta. So, which of these claims is correct? Please support our channel, like and subscribe so we can bring more useful facts for a healthy lifestyle. The breaking point between these two carbohydrate sources is determined by two primary factors: starch source and eggs. 3/4 of the ingredient is starch, in the form of flour. This results in the overall stretchiness and bite of your pasta and noodles. The egg ratio is another deciding factor. Noodles, as opposed to pasta, have a higher egg content. This yields enough fluffiness to be used on stir-fried noodles, a staple of Asian cuisine. Some eaters may be perplexed by these intriguing food items. Is there a distinction between egg noodles and pasta? How do you make noodles? Noodles are typically made from common wheat, whereas pasta is primarily made from durum wheat. Pasta is made by combining durum semolina and water to make a stiff dough that is then extruded through a mold or die. Pasta and noodles are common food products that people frequently confuse, but there is a lot that distinguishes them beneath the surface. They are distinguished primarily by their ingredients and the type of processing involved. Noodles are typically made from flour milled from whole wheat. Pasta is made from durum semolina, a coarser flour than regular flour. However, the distinction is not always so clear-cut. Because durum is so expensive, some processors will use common wheat for pasta in some markets. In a higher-end market, such as Italy, however, there are regulations that require pasta to be made entirely of durum wheat. In addition, certain markets, such as Japan, are beginning to use durum in fresh alkaline noodles because they like the yellow color provided by the flour. There are numerous formulas for making various Asian noodles, but salt is always required during the manufacturing process. Noodles go through a sheeting process in which dough is passed through a series of rollers to produce a flat sheet that is then cut into individual noodle strands. How about pasta? Pasta, on the other hand, is made by combining durum semolina with water to form a stiff dough. It is then extruded through a mold or die to form various shapes such as spaghetti, lasagna, or macaroni. Pasta is also frequently sold as a dry product on the shelf and is typically eaten warm, either boiled or baked. Noodles can be sold fresh, dried, parboiled, steamed, or deep-fried. There are numerous ways to produce and sell them. They can also be eaten hot, cold, or in a stir-fry. Taste and texture are two ways to tell the difference between the two. Quality pasta has an al dente texture, which means that it is soft on the outside but firm on the inside. Read the full article on Gildshire magazines, link in the description below.